Trying to get my KSG to run good. I'd taken this spring out that was broken and cut because it wasn't feeding through the magazine tube. This is the one that was good, so it's going back in there. I ordered a new one, and it is considerably longer than the one that was in there, so some inconsistencies. One magazine tube was like this, one was like this, and now one's going to look like this, so it's going to have a lot more spring tension unless this kind of compresses and holds there, but it doesn't look like it's really any tighter than that one. Anyway, I'm going to put them back in, starting with the one that was in there already. Just going to hold it like that because I'll probably put a little blue Loctite on there. So here's the really long one. Let's see if we can get it to fit in there. And gosh, that's going to have a lot more spring tension. What in the world? I ordered this from Kel-Tec, and it's like so huge. We'll see if it even fits in there. I have my doubts about the performance of this one now. Hopefully it doesn't bind up in there. Get all cockeyed. We got it to fit in there. Knew that was going to happen. The main thing I wanted to show was the inconsistencies with the springs that I got. Very strange. So now these are definitely going to be different spring tensions, but I'll get this back together. I'll go test fire it, see how it does. If it works, it works. I won't be OCD about it. It just seems odd. You'd think there would be a universal or a consistent length that they used. Okay, got it back together. I'm going to feed 7 into the side that was weak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So it took them all. And let's see if it pops out. Oh yeah. Definitely fed them out. Let's compare that to this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's it. 6 and 7. That one is a lot tighter. I mean, it barely fits 7. What in the heck? I just hate inconsistencies. Oh, like I can't even switch over. Kind of makes me wonder if I accidentally put it in that side, and that's the one with a lot of spring tension now. That one does feel a lot tighter. And I'll review the footage, but I'm thinking I put the big long spring in here, and so it, you know, when you compress it, there's not as much room for that 7th shell. And this one's about right, so that's probably the right spring. So first they gave me a cut one, and now they gave me a one that's too long. I'm going to load it up and see if it compresses, let it set for a while, and then try it again. So I'll keep you posted. Alright, I'm not going to take the gun back apart because they're both loaded with 7 right now. And I don't know if that spring just needed to compress, but right now it's got more room in it than it did, so it feels pretty good. So I'll take it out and test fire it.